The CTEK Time to Go Charger. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the CTEK CT5 Time to Go Charger. This is another quality charger with a new feature. It has LEDs that indicate the time left for charging. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The charger comes with a carrying pouch, a user manual, and optional connection eyelets. This is a battery charger and maintainer. It has a few indicators that let you know if it's safe to start, along with the countdown timer LEDs to let you know when it's ready. This can also be used to maintain a charge for those that store vehicles for long periods of time. It has a few LEDs, a try, go, and care, which we'll go over shortly. And along with that is the LEDs for hours left until fully charged. This has a max output of 4.3 amps. It can be used on 12-volt lead batteries and AGM and gel. Battery capacity of 20 to 160 amp hours. The unit is well built with a white finish. On the lower left is the power indicator. And to the right of that you have the modes: normal charge, AGM, and recondition for deeply discharged batteries. The upper left you have the error lamp indicator if any issues are detected. The try indicator will be lit if it's about 30 to 40% charged and safe to make one start attempt. And next to that you have a series of time indicators from 8 hours to 1 hour depending on the condition of the battery. Once it hits 80%, the go light will turn on and it's ready for full use. If you decide to use it for long-term storage, just keep it plugged in and fully charged indicator of care will light up when it's fully charged and maintaining the battery. You can use the clamps or the inlets depending on your charging needs. Attaching the connections is simple. You just plug it into this end of the charger and you press down to lock it. So let's hook it up to a vehicle and see how it works. Using the charger is pretty straightforward. Start off by connecting the clamps to the positive terminal, then the negative. Once those are connected, go ahead and power on the charger. When powered up, it takes a few seconds to analyze. I have the setting on normal charging. You can see that the battery needs some charging and it's indicating about 8 hours. It has mechanisms in place to prevent under and overcharging. It's very simple to use. The CTEK Time to Go Charger. This is a great charger and maintainer. The time feature is excellent, so now you have an idea of how long it will take for your battery to charge. This can be used for general charging or for vehicles that are used on occasion and stored for long periods of time. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.